Hi guys, I'm out trying another little pump track. This time it's more of a dirt one, just over the back here. Again, it's 5-10 minutes from where I live. BMXs usually use it, and there's some crazy stupid high jumps, not for me, but there's some small kind of hops and some gaps that I can practice on again. So I've done a few little sort of trial laps to begin with, just to kind of get a feel for it and understand sort of where the things are. And it's a quick little video of me sort of practicing a few jumps, a bit of speed, probably multiple small jumps in succession, and then one where you go over a small gap. By no means like huge and all the rest of it, but it's a really good start and a good follow on from the previous video at the skate park. If you haven't checked that out, check that video out. That was a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying this, and I'm really pushing myself out of my comfort zone to improve on this sort of stuff and to get over the fear, which I think certainly for these small ones I've kind of realized I have. And the small one with the gap has actually given me a bit more confidence to do something a slightly bit bigger as well, because having the gap in the middle, you need to make sure you just maintain your speed and you don't kind of accelerate towards it, but you get enough speed to get over the gap, but keep that speed sustained until you get to the other side, so you don't spin out and do all sorts of other stuff. So it's a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy this one. Again, I'm really starting to enjoy this sort of stuff. I love my rides and things like that, but it's nice to do something a little bit different and sort of build some skill up as well. So hope you enjoy it. Cheers guys, bye.